today we're going to talk all about our Matte Mink Lash trays. So if you guys didn't know, we created Matte Mink 2.0, which is our newest and most upcoming tray. Because you guys like the tray so much, we are actually bringing her on in full length curls and diameters for you guys. So that will be available as soon as this video drops. We're going to have 0.05, 0.03, 0.07, and it's going to come in C, CC, D, DD, all mixed trays, as well as everything that you would really need. We already have some single lengths, mixed lengths, and our big boys available. And the cool thing about our big boys is it does come with a little mini adhesive, which isn't any of our current lash glue lines right now, but everyone who's tried it really enjoyed it. So it's just a little plus for you guys. And these big boy trays do come in 10 to 17 cc and 0.03 and 0.05. So super great. People have been loving the big boys. We also went with a very throwback 90s 2000s vibe for our Matte Mink 2.0, just because she's a throwback. She was one of our first ever lines. Unfortunately, back then we only had 12 lines per tray. So then when we brought her back, we upgraded the material and she has 16 lines per tray. We would say Matte Mink is super matte, super dark, super soft and lightweight. So maybe if velvet and we would say cashmere had a baby, it would be Matte Mink. Today we kind of want to talk about the mega volume and what you can use in regards to diameters and how it would be different. So with mega volume, you can use 0.05 or actually 0.03. It is just going to be different sizing of the fans to create different kind of mega volume sets. So with 0.05, you want to make sure that you stick with 10D to, sometimes 13D, especially on a lighter weight lash like Matte Mink, you can go up to 13D. For 0.03, since they're super lightweight, and with a really lightweight tray like Matte Mink, you could probably go up to 15, 18D. So it's going to be a lot denser of a set and a lot fluffier, versus 0.05, it's going to be very dark, not as fluffy, but super dark and super full. So we would say that's the difference between the two. We would prefer to use 0.03 just because you can grab more and it's super lightweight, so it's going to be safer for clients. But 0.05 creates a really different kind of beautiful mega volume set as well. Other than that, we're going to show you guys fanning with the 2 diameters and some lash mapping using our lash map stickers, which we absolutely love. If you guys haven't seen these sticker sheets that we have yet, they're super awesome, especially when you're starting out and you want to make sure both eyes are similar to each other when you map. You can put these 2 stickers on the gel pad so that you can map them out the same and it'll come out very uniformed and perfect. So there's different kind of mappings that we have on this sticker. Baby doll is going to be when it goes from short to long to short. Kitten is kind of a variation of baby doll. It's when you also go from short to long to shortish, but your longest area is angles right here versus the baby doll, you just literally go from short to long to short right in the middle of the eye. So this one is going to be, the longer area starts at an angle of the eye. Cat eye, you go from short to long at the very end. Open eye, you do more of a drastic short to long to short. Natural, you can just go very uniform, maybe mix in some length if you want, or keep it uniformed with just one length if you want as well. Squirrel, the Kim K, the feathered, different names for different sets, but we would say squirrel, maybe it's a little bit more drastic of a kitten eye, dramatic of a kitten eye. The Kim K one is wispy variation, and feathered, another wispy variation. As you can see, the feathered has these spike areas, which are just going to represent the wisp. The Kim K one also has not as drastic wisp spike transition, but more of a smooth one. We will do a couple with you guys. Baby doll, you can keep it super simple. Let's say you go 8 on the inner, you can go 9, 10, maybe go 11, 10, 9, 8, and then you can even go 7 at the ends if you want. Kitten, it's kind of like this, but you want to use the longer ones a little bit more to the outer corner. So let's say you go 8, 9, 10, 11, maybe a 12 at that, an 11, a 10, and a 9. Cat eye, let's say cat eye is just literally short to long at the outer corner, so let's just keep it super simple as well. You just go 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and maybe go back down to a 13 at the very end. Open eye, a little bit more dramatic of a kitten, baby doll, so maybe you could go 8, 9, 10, 12 up here, maybe even 13, go back down, 10, 9, 8. Natural, I mean, you could really go one length all throughout, or you could just mix it. So let's say you do 8 on the inner, and you could go 9, 9, 10, 10, 9, 9, 8, maybe something simple like that. Squirrel, again, a very dramatic version of the kitten. So you can go even higher lengths, maybe an 8, 9, 10, 11, 13, 11, 10, 9. Kim K, I mean, that's really when you do a slower transition of a wisp. You can go 8, 10, 12, maybe mix in 11, 12, 10, 9, 8 maybe. Again, nothing too dramatic. Rather, it's going to be maybe your more dramatic wispy set. So you can go with 8, and then you can go maybe 11, maybe some 13, maybe even go 15, 13, 11, 10, 8, and again, fill in even shorter lengths for the base area here. Same with this one, you can fill in shorter lengths here all throughout to give it that more wispy look. So these are just some examples of mapping that we would say. Obviously, you can play with the numbers, but with mega volume sets, you definitely kind of want to map yourself out because it can get so dense and dark and voluminous that you might lose your map a little bit. Try out these Lash matte stickers if you haven't yet, and we hope that kind of helps. Other than that, that's kind of it for today. We just wanted to showcase our beautiful matte mink trays for you guys, let you guys know that they are going to be available in full trays such as girls' lengths and diameters. You guys should definitely try these out if you haven't yet. They're super popular and people love them, and we just love the whole box. It slides out so nicely. It's super cute, and these are just the new It Lashes for us. Thank you so much, you guys, for watching. Make sure that you go and read the blog that is going to be talking about the same things and have more in-depth information about everything. Make sure you watch our other shorts and our reels having to do with Matte Mink to see her fan out more, and we hope this helps. We will see you guys soon, and like, comment, subscribe. Let us know if this helped. And again, thank you always. So we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!